I don't know if Sean told you, but right now they just had their chicks, and both parents are taking care of them. So one parent's babysitting 24/7. They're taking shifts. One hunts, one comes back. So we'll see. Maybe there are some active nests out there. We might see a lot of this, like poking out of the nest. We have a couple of commands that you might hear on the river. So first of all, this is a glacially fed river. This means get ready for a bump. We're gonna scrape it along the ground, or we're gonna bump into the shore or something like that. Just lean in a little bit, hold on to something, just be ready, be braced, ready for a bump. And we're gonna let you know well in advance. These rivers, these glacially fed rivers, another feature of them is that they're very shallow. Every once in a while, we get temporarily delayed. And you just bounce up and down, it gets water underneath the boat and gets us moving along. So let's bounce. Brings me to our one rule today, our number one rule, besides have fun, is no swimming. All right, and it's pretty easy to do. We did a geological survey and they dug 750 to 800 feet. 60% of the Circuit River is underground. So it gets warmed up a little bit. It's warm by no means, but just enough to make sure that the chilkat doesn't freeze for just a few miles. So that gives these bald eagles access to those fish, that late run of chum salmon. Yeah. Super unique. One of them was Cliff Wall 2, and it was right below this slide area. So I was telling these guys that this slide, this is a very active avalanche area. You see that gray track? It's sliding so much that trees can't get established. That base of the mountain is bald. We have pictures of Cluck Wall 2 from as late as 1903.